Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert mono to stereo audio in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll see your main workspace with various panels and controls. Now direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This panel displays all your active audio sources and their volume levels. The audio mixer is typically located at the bottom or side of your OBS interface depending on your layout configuration. Next, look for the gear icon located just below the audio mixer panel. This small settings icon gives you access to advanced audio properties for all your sources. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open the advanced audio properties window. Once the advanced audio properties window opens, you'll see a list of all your audio sources. Navigate through this list to find the specific source you want to convert from mono to stereo. This could be your microphone, desktop audio, or any other audio input you're currently using in your scene. Here's where the conversion happens. For each audio source listed, you'll notice a mono option with a checkbox right next to it. This checkbox controls whether the audio is processed as mono or stereo. By default, many sources are set to mono, but checking this box will convert your audio to stereo output. Simply check the box next to your desired source to enable the mono to stereo conversion. This ensures your audio will be broadcast in stereo, giving your viewers a richer, more immersive listening experience. Once you've enabled the mono option for all the sources you want to convert, click the Close button located at the bottom right of the Advanced Audio Properties window. This will save your changes and apply the stereo conversion to your selected audio sources. And that's it, you've successfully converted your mono audio to stereo in OBS Studio, which will enhance the overall quality of your stream or recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.